log in. He will do the financial as a customer only, like others.
Yes.
But what he can do, he can order a checkbook through the ATM. You understand?
Yeah.
Now, this is where we address two types of functionalities, two types of relations. Use case generalization, actor generalization. This is the second stage of drawing the diagram. The first stage is what? Coming of the basic flow. The second stage is what? Any kind of generalizations are there, we need to address that. Clear?
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
what are the other?
We have to accumulate
Yes.
different kind of generalizations.
Yeah, generalization. If you find anything in your inputs,
Right.
if you don't find, don't worry about it, right? Understand? Upon the inputs, whatever you captured, if you find, you first check it. If there, you address it. If you don't find anything, no need to worry. This is not mandatory. But you have to follow the sequence. Next, what are the other relations left over? Include, extend. Include and extend. Now, if you look at the same example, this is what we are at this stage, right? There is a one particular statement. When withdraw cash, transfer funds use case are initiated, the check available balance use case will be initiated and performed inherently, right? When I input, I want to withdraw 2,000. Will it, the bank is going to give me the 2,000 and will verify whether you have that enough balance or not?
It will verify.
It will verify.
Right. That means when I'm initiating withdraw cash, it will first inherently call the check available balance from the bank, right?
Yes. Include.
That means similarly, when I want to transfer also, it is going
the
to
balance.
So that is where include relation comes into picture. Similarly, we'll take one more example. One more point in our inputs are, if you consider print receipt, which is an optional use case, because is it print receipt is not mandatory, right?
Yes.
And which is going to be the last option of a financial transaction, right? Clear? That means that print receipt, is it with respect to the financial is an optional or mandatory?
Optional.
Optional. So that is an extent, right?
Yes.
But who is printing that receipt?
Bank.
Printer. That is a secondary actor.
Printer.
So we call this printer as a bond actor. Because during the discussion and analyzing the particular flow, we come across certain actors. Okay. So now we have added another two more relations. What are those? Include and extend. Clear? Now, if you look at the whole points, whatever we discussed till now, this first point is addressed. Second point is addressed.
Okay.
Third point is addressed.
Actually, someone is always responding like.
Okay, leave it. Okay, keep listen. And the fourth point is addressed. Fifth point is this point is also addressed. Refill is addressed. And then order checkbook is addressed. Receipt is addressed. What is left over? This check available cash balance in the ATM and sending alert. Who is to perform this? System clock. That means now we are now looking into the kind of where we make the system to behave on its own. Where we want to make the system to behave on its own. So here, let me give an example to you. Let us do it. One of the point is when the money train, the ATM reaches a minimum level of cash, it will automatically send an alert to the bank. That means, for example, let us take the bank has kept 50,000 as a minimum amount. See, as you know that you all guys, depending upon the local spending capability, you're fixing the minimum balance.
Yes.
If you are using that ATM in a student community, your minimum balance may be 1 lakh. If you use the same ATM in another IT professionals community, you may use a 3 lakhs like that, right? Because the spending capability, right? For example, the bank has kept the minimum of the particular range is 50,000. And the existing in the particular ATM is 75,000. Are you clear with this? Okay. Now is one transaction happens. Some of the customer has withdraw a cash 15,000. Then the ATM machine internally, what it's going to do, it will verify the cash levels. That means 75 minus 50 is how much?
60.
60. What is the minimum level?
50.
50. Is it 60,000 less than 50?
Yes.
No.
Sorry, no.
No. That means, is it required to send an alert to the bank?
No.
No. Now another transaction happens. Someone deposit cash 5,000. Then what will be the existing cash levels?
65,000.
55. Is it less than 50,000?
No.
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 Is it required to send an alert?
No.
No.
Now transaction, someone withdraw cash that 20,000. What is the existing cash levels?
45,000.
Is it less than 50,000?
Yes.
Yes.
Then you need to send, right?
Yes.
Yes.
That means is this sending alert is optional or mandatory?
Mandatory.
Arey yaar.
Optional.
Optional. Is it sending alert for every transaction?
No.
No.
It's only sending only for a whenever there is a condition is true, right? So
Right.
that means that particular system clock, it is going to periodically verify the cash levels in the ATM. Whenever it found there is the cash levels at minimum, then only it's sending alert to the bank, right? This
Right.
how we are going to include the diagram is the system clock is first doing what? Periodic check on the available check, and it will send a refill cash alert to the bank only on need basis, means optional behavior. Are you clear?
Yes.
And this
Sir.
is what we call as extent of automation. Yeah.
Sir, I want to ask in this case that refill cash alert means you have given an example where the amount went to 45,000 and somebody comes just after sending an alert to a bank and replenish the cash means 25,000, 30,000 he is depositing the same and bank has already been sent an alert to replenish the cash
Yes.
in the ATM.
Yes.
It will
That's
still
agree.
do.
No. First of all, the system will do its work. And again, that is the exception cases. So that's what a total application building, right?
Okay.
Here again, I'm telling you that upon the inputs, whatever we have taken, we are addressing this.
Okay.
When
Okay.
alert will be sent, as you said, some other person came and deposited 50,000.
Okay.
But still, it is in the border, right?
Yes.
So before he's sending, he will verify the cash levels from his account, from his system.
Okay.
Okay, that will be there. Now, as per this input is concerned, we are discussing on this, right?
Yes.
And here, who is sending alerts? Either in a living being or non-living being?
Non-living being system
That
clock.
means it is called, this concept is called as automation. That means we're making the machine to behave on its own. Am I right?
Correct.
So this is what we call it as the way you need to prepare the use case diagram. You understand all of you?
Yes.
Now I will run the screen. You take the snapshots, right? You start taking the snapshots. And my request is, tomorrow it's Sunday, right? How I have narrated you, the way you draw the diagram. Okay?
Yes.
Sure.
So that tomorrow you can ask me good doubts.
Sure.
Now take.
Sir, please go on last slide.
What happened? This one? Okay.
Sir, the previous slide to this.
Yeah. This from here I'm starting again, right? Okay.
Okay.
Then second one. Done?
No, sir.
No.
Yes.
Then third one. Done?
Done.
Wait. Take. Done?
Yes.
1 second.
Sorry, sir. Please go back.
You're taking from mobile? Okay. I think from, okay, that one. Okay. And now, wait. Take. Done?
Wait, sir.
Okay.
One second. This is okay.
Just wait. No take.
This is the third.
Yeah, next one. I'm coming in order only.
Right.
All right. Just wait. Your take.
Previous one?
Again.
Yes. Previous one.
Yeah, wait. This is the previous one.
Yeah.
Done?
Okay. Done.
Now you take this. Your take.
Yep.
Just hold on. Now take. Taken?
1 second.
Yeah.
Yep, got it.
Just hold on. Take. Done?
1 second.
Yes.
Just hold on. Take. One second. Now take. Done?
Yeah.
Still is there, no, sir?
No. Now this is a script only. Take. Actually, it's not required. Now let's go with this. Just hold on. Now take. Taken?
Yes.
Are you taken?
Yes.
Yes. 1 second, sir.
Right.
Yes.
1 second. Take. Done?
Done.
Wait, sir, please.
Just wait. Now take. Okay. So this is the way you're going to draw the use case diagram. Very clear. Now it's you take it very serious and you draw the complete diagram with your own hands, right? And then you try to address this particular case study. By tomorrow we'll discuss this. You understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This you can draw only when you draw that ATM on your own. Okay. Don't worry about whether you are drawn the right or wrong regarding this example is concerned. It is you are in a learning mode. You give your attempt, right?
Okay.
The more you fail, the more you learn. Am I right?
Right.
Correct.
Okay. Hope you're connecting me, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We'll continue tomorrow, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, all of you.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night,
Thank you.
Siddhar. Good night. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.